You have rights of reply.
Yes, sir.
Igbos are your friends. We are the sort of this nation. We are friendly to every tribe. If you go to your village now in Delta State, Igbos are living there. Whether they are Igbos of Delta or they are Igbos of Onitsha or Iberi or Abia or Enugu, they are living there in their village.
Yes, sir. You
are my friend.
Yes, sir.
Very good friend of mine.
Yes, sir.
You who should build togetherness for the nation.
Yes, sir.
So the nation, behave like President Tinubu.
Yes, sir.
Who build friendship everywhere.
Yes, sir.
And that is what we are trying to. I want to thank you for coming with the chairman.
Yes, sir.
Of our party.
Yes, sir.
That shows you are a party now.
Yes, sir.
Maintain that party. Affiliation.
Yes, sir.
You are an ambassador of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And also, you can
no, I want to
maintain the party affiliation, respect our state chairman. Because if he's a state chairman in that, he can equally be state chairman in party. I'm a party man, I respect party. I congratulate you once again, and God will lead you to be a very good ambassador, and God will lead you to do things that Delta State Nigerian people will be proud of you.
Amen, sir.
You are a very kind man. I want to thank you for all the jobs you have done for our president. But the only thing I have is when you boss the Igbos.
Yes, sir.
You know I'm an Igbo man, I'm not
yes,
people an Igbo.
Yes, sir.
But I'm a Nigerian.
Yes, sir.
They're from Igbo.
Yes, sir.
So let your language now in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And I congratulate you once again.
Thank you, sir.
For being passed by the Senate. And you're a nice guy. Continue to do well.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Joko.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Just allow me, sir, to stand for just 2 minutes, sir. Only 2 minutes, sir.
Tell the chairman.
Chairman, please, can I take permission?
Yes, sir. I say you should sit down.
Yeah, 2 minutes, sir. Please, 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
If chairman.
Yes, sir. I just want to say that a lot of people will not realize the level of respect that I have for His Excellency Senator Orji Kalu. I have a lot of respect for him because if you look at his life, I mean, going back to his youth when he was in Ndigbo, this is a man that believes in Nigeria, a very pan-Nigerian man, dead to ethnicity, dead to region, dead to religion. A lot of people don't know that. I know his history. I'm not going to go too much into that.